Welcome back to our series on using Autopilot. This is part 3 of our 5-part guide to safe and effective autonomous driving. In this segment, we will focus on engaging Autopilot, monitoring the system, and performing safe lane changes. As a quick recap, in parts 1 and 2, we covered initial system setup, basic driving controls, and essential safety guidelines. Today, we dive into the core functionality, starting with how to properly engage the Autopilot feature. Let's look at the necessary steps to activate your vehicle's autopilot system safely. Before engaging, ensure you are on a highway or well-marked road with clear visibility. This system is designed for specific driving environments. To engage, simply press the designated Autopilot or Cruise Control Set button. Check for the on-screen indicators confirming the system is active, and always keep your hands on the wheel. While the system is driving, driver attention is absolutely critical. Let's discuss monitoring and intervention. Remember, you are still responsible for the operation of the vehicle. Stay alert, monitor traffic, and be prepared to take over at any moment. If the system issues an alert, such as requesting you to take control or signaling an imminent hazard, intervene immediately and decisively. Autopilot assists with lane changes. Here is how to use this feature correctly. To activate an automated lane change, simply engage your turn signal. The system will check the surrounding traffic before initiating the maneuver. Even with automation, manually check your mirrors and blind spots. If the system hesitates, do not force the lane change. Disengage and take manual control. Knowing how to quickly and safely disengage Autopilot is as important as engaging it. You can quickly override Autopilot by applying the brakes or by taking firm control of the steering wheel. This is your immediate action for intervention. Disengage the system immediately if weather conditions worsen, you encounter complex traffic, or if road markings become unclear. That wraps up our session on engaging and managing Autopilot. Let's briefly review the key takeaways. Remember to stay engaged, respond promptly to system alerts, and always be prepared to take manual control of the vehicle. Join us for part 4, where we will cover advanced features like navigating complex interchanges and advanced parking assist features.